Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord steering wheel. First, safety is paramount. Always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal and wait at least 3 minutes. This prevents any accidental airbag deployment, which is crucial for your safety. Next, ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight and the steering wheel is locked. Gather your tools, including a ratchet, extensions, Torx bits, and a steering wheel puller. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's carefully disconnect the airbag module. You'll find 2 small access holes, usually on the sides or sometimes the bottom of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver or the correct Torx bit, gently push into these holes to release the airbag's retaining clips. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module slightly away from the wheel. Then, disconnect the electrical connectors on the back. Remember to handle the airbag with extreme care throughout this step. With the airbag safely set aside, it's time to remove the steering wheel itself. First, disconnect any other electrical connectors, such as those for the horn or cruise control buttons. Next, you'll see a large center nut, typically a 22mm size, holding the wheel in place. Use a ratchet and socket to loosen and remove this nut. Finally, use a steering wheel puller. This specialized tool ensures you can safely and easily detach the wheel from the steering column's splined shaft without damage. When reinstalling, proper alignment is key. Ensure the steering wheel is perfectly centered at the 12 o'clock position before sliding it back onto the spline. Reinstall the large center nut and torque it to the manufacturer's specification, which is often around 29 foot-pounds. Reconnect all electrical connectors, including the airbag module. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal. Always test your horn, cruise control, and ensure the airbag light is off before driving to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.